I don't want to teach you everything I know. How many times have you met with a financial professional or spoke to one in passing who proceeds to rattle off industry jargon and ramble on about complex tax or investment scenarios that don't even apply to you? That's not just a waste of your time. It's overwhelming and frustrating. So, no, I don't want to teach you everything I know. I'm Sean. I've been a CPA for 13 years, and more than half of my accounting knowledge and experience wouldn't even be relevant to your small business. My goal is to cherry pick the most impactful topics, tips, processes, worksheets for your business and give you a roadmap for quickly implementing it. Who cares about course certificates and test scores? No. Small business owners have enough on their plates trying to figure out how much an employee is going to cost them over the next 6 months. I'm here to make your life easier, not add to your never ending to do list. To that end, I've got a few things that I've got going on. First, I launched a financial forecast tool last month, which I'll show you how to access today. Second, I'm working with a few small business owners that I know that need help. That need help with a few things. I'm developing some tools for them to figure out what works and what doesn't work. And I'm going to make those tools available to you when they're ready for free, just like my financial forecast tool. Lastly, and this is a bit of a longer term project for me, I'm putting together a full accounting system walkthrough. I'm going to deliver this initially as a week long live webinar. The goal is to build your accounting system in 1 week. Seriously, 1 week and you're done. That'll cover setting up your QuickBooks or whatever application you choose to use, recording your first transactions, running your financial reports, structuring your monthly financial review process so it becomes routine. Seriously, the whole thing. Now, when I do launch that, it's going to be to a limited group. I want to keep that first release um, pretty tight as a small group so that I can give one-on-one advice. So if you're interested in that, want to get updates for when that'll be available, I'll get to how you can sign up to my newsletter and be in the know about that. So let me show you how you can access my financial forecast tool right now. So this is my landing page. You can find it at ledgerready.work. Very simple. It's just a sign up form. Now, I have a box for your name and your email here. If you don't want to give me your name, that's totally understandable. You can just put your email in here. When you hit submit, this is going to take you to just a little thank you page. Thanks for signing up. But how you'll get access to the free forecasting tool is you'll get an automated email as soon as you sign up to your inbox. So check your junk mail in case it goes there. And that email will have a link. It just takes you to a Google Doc folder where you can download this forecasting tool. And I'm not going to spam you. I'm not trying to sell you all kinds of products and things like that. The purpose of having you sign up to a newsletter to access this is so that if you have questions, issues using it, or feedback from me to make it better, then you have a means for contacting me outside of YouTube video comment. Okay, now I'm going to show you that tool, just give you a quick overview. I did a large walkthrough, a longer walkthrough of it last month when I first released it, but I'll show you what that looks like now. Okay, so this is the tool. This is just an overview tab, but this just walks you through exactly what you would need to do to put a financial forecast together. So you just have a bunch of inputs, just, hey, what are your expenses? What are you selling your product for? And how much does your product or service cost? I focus on service business owners, but I did put product information in here as because most service businesses also offer some products too. So there's product costing and service costing in here. This is all you do. You do this input tab, and I built this so that it would complete this whole monthly financial forecast for you. So once you put the numbers into the input tab, this will populate. And so it'll go month by month. And then there's some, you know, what I hope to be, what I hope are useful financial metrics for you so that you can have some decision useful information here. But like I said, the whole reason why I want you to sign up to the newsletter to access this is so that I can get your feedback. If this tool is not working for you, is missing some key pieces of information for it to really be valuable to you, then please email me. I respond to every message I get. Or if you prefer, you can comment in this YouTube video, and I'll respond to that as well. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Again, I'm Sean. I'm starting Ledger Ready so that I can deliver useful tools and information to small business with a focus on service business owners. So, I hope this was helpful to you, and I hope you'll check out my tools that I'm developing. And I look forward to providing more useful tools in the future after I've worked with some local small businesses that I know. Okay, that's all for today. See you next time.